In today's video, we are going to show you how to set a payment method on Vinted so you can buy and sell items smoothly. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then I want you to hover to your profile icon, which can be found on the top right corner, and click the settings. Here, all you have to do is super simple. Scroll down until you find the payments section. Okay, now to add a payment method, you can choose your preferred option. For example, if you want to add a card, you can choose adding a Visa, MasterCard, a debit or credit card. Now, some region allows adding PayPal or Apple Pay and Google Pay, but of course that is for supported devices only. Enter your payment details and tap confirm or save and click the use this card. Alright? Now, if you want to create a payout options and wanted to add your bank, all you have to do is super simple, click the arrow and type in all the information details like your account holder's name, account number, routing number, account type, and of course your billing address. Once you've done that, all you have to do is click the save button because this is used to receive your money. Double check your details and save. Now, payout verification may take a short time, and once everything is ready, your payment method should now appear under the payments tab, as we have seen earlier. Alright? Now, if you are having issues adding a payment method here in Vinted, all you have to do is click the help center. You need to contact the customer support. Okay? So basically type your questions to see if you have an answer, or if you get a hold of one of the contact support specialists, tell them your situation that you are having problems setting up your payment method on Vinted. And of course, they'll be more than glad to give you some troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.